Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're tackling a common iPhone frustration, voicemail. I'm going to show you how to turn it off, the easy way. There are basically two ways to do this, disabling it directly on your iPhone, or disabling it through your mobile carrier. I'll walk you through both. Keep in mind, this is based on my own experience, and what works for me might not be exactly the same for you. As always, I'll put some helpful links in the description below. Okay, first, let's disable voicemail directly on your iPhone. Open your phone app and head to the keypad. Now you're going to need to enter a specific code, that's #004, and then another #. So, #004. Got it? Now, hit the call button. You should see a screen pop up confirming that voicemail, along with other related services, has been successfully deleted. Voila! Voicemail is disabled on your iPhone. Just tap dismiss, and you're good to go. Now, for disabling voicemail through your mobile carrier. This is going to be a little different depending on who your carrier is. The best thing to do is to hop on your web browser and search how to disable voicemail on your network carrier. For example, these are the instructions for AT&T, and I'm on the EE network here in the UK, so I looked up those instructions as well. As you can see, the method can be a little different. Just make sure you're searching for the specific instructions for your carrier. And that's it. Hopefully, this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful travel tips. See you in the next one.